Welcome back to my channel, ang inyong Kuya Win. Kung narito kayo sa aking channel at nanonood ng video na ito, inaanyayahan ko kayo na i-subscribe, i-like at mag-comment down kayo kung ano ang inyong natutunan sa lesson natin ngayong araw. Ang tatalakayin natin ay addition and subtraction of rational algebraic expression na kung saan meron tayong unlike denominators. Simulan natin sa pag-review ng addition and subtraction of dissimilar fraction. I have here a over b plus or minus c over d. Kung mapapansin natin ay magkaiba yung ating denominators. Kapag magkaiba ang ating denominators, what are we going to do is we need to get the LCD. Pag sinabing LCD ay least common denominators na kung saan ay kinukuha natin ang least common multiples ng ating denominators. We have b times d. Paano na rin b times d? Minumultiply natin yung ating denominators. bd divided by b, makakancel out si b, ang natira ay si d. d multiplied by a is ad. Ang ginawa naman natin sa prosesong ito ay kinukuha naman natin yung ating equivalent fraction. Kukunin ulit natin ang equivalent fraction ng ating pangalawang fraction. bd divided by d, maka-cancel out si b, ang natira ay si b. b multiplied by c is bc. Then afterwards, add or subtract our numerator and then simplify our answer if necessary. For better understanding, let's have these examples. 1/2 plus 3/5, ang LCD ay 10. Kasi kapag kinuha natin ang multiples ng 2 at multiples ng 5, ang least common doon ay si 10. And then afterwards, let's find out our equivalent fraction. 10 divided by 2 is 5. Multiply by 1 is 5. 10 divided by 5 is 2. Multiply by 3 is 6. May another way din ang pagsusod nito. For example, minultiply nyo lang ang ating denominator sa pagkuha ng ating LCD. Pwede tayong mag-cross multiplication. Ng 1 times 5 is 5 and 2 times 3 is 6 para ay mas mapadali. Then, dahil siya ay similar fraction na, pwede na natin i-add yung ating numerators. 5 plus 6 is 11 over 10. Just copy your denominator and that is your final answer dahil hindi na natin kayang i-simplify ang 11 over 10. Let's have our second example. 6 over 8 minus 1 over 6. Para mas mabilis na makuha ang LCD nito, ang ginagawa ko ay kinukuha ko ang prime factorization. For example, ang prime factorization ng 8 ay 2 times 2 times 2. Ang factors naman ng 6 ay 2 times 3. At para makuha ang LCD, i-bring down natin yung ating mga prime factorization na 2 times 2 times 2 times 3. Kapag may kapartner siya na factors, i-bring down natin siya as 1. So we have now 2 times 2 times 2 is 8, multiplied by 3 is 24. Therefore, the LCD is 24. Kung meron kayong ibang process ng pagkuha ng LCD, sige nga, paki-comment down nga yung inyong mga proseso. After natin makuha ang LCD, we are now ready to find the equivalent fraction. Dito, hindi tayo pwedeng mag-cross multiplication dahil may common factors between 8 and 6 na 2. 24 divided by 8 is 3, multiplied by 6 is 18. And then, 24 divided by 6 is 4, multiplied by 1 is 4. Since meron na tayong similar fraction, we can now subtract our numerators. 18 minus 4 is 14, and then copy the denominator, which gives us 14 over 24. The GCF between 14 and 24 is 2. Therefore, 14 divided by 2 is 7, and 24 divided by 2 is 12. Therefore, 7 over 12 is our final answer. O hindi ba madali lang? So we can now proceed with our addition and subtraction of rational algebraic expression with unlike denominators. At narito ang mga steps na dapat nating sundin. First, we need to find the LCD. Kapag kukunin natin ang LCD, gamitan natin ng parenthesis ang ating mga factors. Huwag na natin siyang i-multiply kasi mamaya sa mga susunod na step ay maragamit natin ito. Second, we need to solve for equivalent fractions. Third, simplify the numerator. Kapag magsisimplify tayo ng ating numerator, gagamitan natin ito whether addition or subtraction depende sa hinihingi ng ating given. 4. Use the factoring method if possible. And then for the last step, we need to remove the common factors. Ito ang dahilan kung bakit hindi natin kailangan i-multiply ang ating denominator dahil baka mamaya may pwede tayong i-cancel na factors sa numerator at denominator. At mas mabilis nating makikita ang mga factors na pwede nating i-cancel. So let's have these examples. Let's have 3 over x squared plus 6 over x. So kunin natin ang LCD ng ating denominators. X squared multiplied by x is x cubed. Applying the law of product, we are now ready to find the equivalent fraction. X cubed divided by x squared is x. X times 3 is 3x. Ulitin ko, dahan-dahanin ko. Yung LCD, i-divide natin sa unang denominator which is x squared. X cubed over x squared, gagamitan natin yan ng law of quotient na kung saan sinusubtract natin yung ating exponent. That gives us x. And x multiplied by the numerator, that is 3x. X cubed divided by x is x squared, multiplied by 6 is 6x squared. Simplify natin yung ating numerator if possible. 3x plus 6x squared, kaya ba yung i-simplify? Hindi natin kayang i-simplify dahil they are unlike terms. Afterwards, application ng factoring polynomials. 3x plus 6x squared. The common monomial factor is 3x. And then, 3x divided by 3x is 1 plus 6x squared divided by 3x is 2x. Naalala pa ba si common monomial factor? Kung nakalimutan na si common monomial factor, balikan nyo yung ito. Balikan nyo yan. Over the LCD which is x cubed. Ang common factor between numerator and denominator is x. So it means cancel na dito si x. Wala nang x dyan. Kasi hindi naman mahalaga si x. X cubed here will become x squared. Meron pa bang dapat makancel out? Kung wala na, just copy the remaining factors. So we have here 3 multiplied by 1 plus 2x over x squared. And that is your final answer. For our second example, let's have 3 over x plus 1 minus 5 over x minus 1. Ating unang step, we need to find the LCD. At sa paghahanap ng LCD, kailangan isulat na lang natin yung ating factors. Kagaya nito. And then, solve for the equivalent fraction. The quantity of x plus 1 multiplied by the quantity of x minus 1 divided by x plus 1. So para hindi tayo matagalan, kung i-divide natin to sa x plus 1, sinong natira? Si x minus 1. X minus 1 multiplied by 3 is 3 multiplied by the quantity of x minus 1. Ganun lang kadali. And then, subtract the LCD divided by x minus 1. Ang wala dito ay si factor na x plus 1. So, x plus 1 multiplied by 5 is, tandaan, dahil tayo ay nasa subtraction, kailangan nating lagyan ng parenthesis or bracket yung ating subtrahend. Kaya nilagyan ko ng bracket dito. 5 multiply by x plus 1. Kaya bracket ang ginamit ko kasi meron na tayo ditong parenthesis. After ng parenthesis, bracket, and then braces. Tutungo na tayo sa pagsisimplify ng ating numerator. Distribute natin si 3. 3 multiplied by x is 3x. 3 multiplied by negative 1 is negative 3. 5 multiplied by x is 5x. And 5 multiplied by 1 is positive 5. Over the LCD which is x plus 1 multiplied by x minus 1. After natin ma-distribute ang mga dapat i-distribute, pwede na nating baruhin ang sign ng ating subtrahend. We have here 3x minus 3. Negative multiplied by positive 5x is negative 5x. Negative multiplied by positive 5 is negative 5. Over the LCD which is x plus 1 multiplied by x minus 1. Simplify pa natin by combining like terms. 3x minus 5x is negative 2x. Negative 3 minus 5 is negative 8. Over the LCD, final answer na ba kung nasimplify natin ang ating numerator? Hindi pa. Kailangan nating i-apply ating factoring polynomial kung kinakailangan pa. Kaya pa bang i-factor out si negative 2x minus 8? Yes, kaya pa. Gagamitan natin ito ng factoring polynomial with common monomial factor. Dahil common sa kanila si negative 2. So, ilabas natin si negative 2. Negative 2x divided by negative 2 is positive x. And negative 8 divided by negative 2 is positive 4. Over the quantity of x plus 1 multiplied by x minus 1, which is our LCD. Since na-factor out na natin yung ating numerator at nakita natin dito na wala namang maka-cancel, therefore, this is our final answer. Kuya, kailangan pa po ba talagang i-factor out yung numerator? Yes, kailangan natin i-factor out yung numerator baka kasi mamaya meron common factors between numerator and denominator na dapat ma-cancel. Malinaw? Let's have x plus 2 over x minus 4 minus x plus 1 over x plus 4. For our first step, we need to find the LCD, the quantity of x minus 4 multiplied by the quantity of x plus 4. And then find our equivalent fraction. The LCD divided by x minus 4, makakancel dito si x minus 4, ang natira ay si x plus 4. So x plus 4 multiplied by x plus 2 is the quantity of x plus 2 multiplied by the quantity of x plus 4 minus the LCD divided by x plus 4, mawawala si x plus 4, ang natira ay si x minus 4. X minus 4 multiplied by x plus 1 is we have here the quantity of x plus 1 multiplied by the quantity of x minus 4. Next, that we need to do is we need to simplify our numerator using FOIL method. So we have here x squared plus 6x plus 8 minus, tandaan, dahil tayo ay nasa subtraction, lagyan natin ng parenthesis dahil papalitan natin yung sign ng ating subtrahend. X squared minus 3x minus 4 over the LCD. Palitan na natin yung sign ng ating subtrahend by distributing our minus sign. Let's copy our minuend. Negative multiplied by positive x squared is negative x squared. Negative multiplied by negative 3x is positive 3x. And negative multiplied by negative 4 is positive 4 over the LCD. We are now ready to combine our like terms. X squared minus x squared is 0. 6x plus 3x is 9x. 8 plus 4 is 12 over the LCD. After natin i-simplify ang ating numerator, tatandaan at huwag kakalimutan na hindi pa tayo tapos dahil kailangan natin i-factor out ang numerator. 9x plus 12 ay kayang i-factor out using common monomial factor. Alam natin na 3. So, ilabas natin si 3. 9x divided by 3 is 3x. 12 divided by 3 is 4. So, we have here the factor of our numerator is 3 multiplied by the quantity of 3x plus 4 over the LCD, which is the quantity of x minus 4 multiplied by the quantity of x plus 4. And nung na-factor out natin, wala namang common factors between numerator and denominator. And that is why this will be our final answer. For our next example, let's have x minus 2 over x squared plus 6x plus 5 plus x over 2x plus 10. Kung mapapansin nyo sa ating given number 4, ay mahaba yung ating given. So first thing that you need to do is you need to check kung kaya bang i-factor out yung ating given. So i-factor out natin yung mga dapat ma-factor out para malaman natin yung mga factors at yung magiging LCD natin. Just copy x minus 2 dahil hindi naman natin kayang i-factor ang numerator. Let's have the denominator. Pwede natin siyang gamitan ng factoring polynomial na kung saan ito ay example ng general trinomial in the form of x squared plus bx plus c. So, ang factors nito ay x plus 5 multiplied by x plus 1. Ang factors ng ating 5 ay 5 at 1. Na kung saan kapag pinag-add natin ang factors na ito, that is equivalent to positive 6. Plus, just copy the x, and then factor out natin yung 2x plus 10. Gamitan natin ang factoring polynomial with common monomial factor. So, ilabas natin si 2, and 2x divided by 2 is x, and 10 divided by 2 is 5. So, we have here 2 multiplied by the quantity of x plus 5. After natin i-factor out ang given, pwede na tayong kumuha ng LCD. mapapansin natin sa ating denominator na parehas tayong may x plus 5. Kapag kukunin natin ng LCD, ito ay magiging isa na lang. Kaya ang magiging LCD natin dito ay 2 multiply by x plus 5 and multiply by x plus 1. After makuha ang LCD, hanapin na natin yung ating equivalent fraction. LCD divided by the quantity of x plus 5 multiplied by the quantity of x plus 1. So makakancel na dito si x plus 5 at si x plus 1. Ang natira ay si 2. 2 multiplied by the numerator, it gives us 2 multiplied by x minus 2. And then, copy our operation which is addition. LCD divided by 2 multiplied by the quantity of x plus 5. Cancel na dito si 2 at saka si x plus 5. Ang natira ay si x plus 1 multiplied by x. It gives us x multiplied by x plus 1. Afterwards, isimplify na natin yung ating numerator. 2 times x is 2x. 2 times negative 2 is negative 4. Plus, x times x is x squared. X times 1 is x over the LCD. After natin mag-distribute, kailangan na natin i-simplify ulit yung ating numerator. We are going to combine like terms. Just copy x squared dahil wala naman siyang kaparehas na terms. And then 2x plus x is simply 3x. Kopyahin na lang natin si negative 4 dahil wala ng ibang constant maliban sa negative 4 over the LCD. And for our next step, we need to use factoring method na kung saan si x squared plus 3x minus 4 ay pwedeng gamitan ng general trinomial in the form of x squared plus bx plus c. And that is why we have here x plus 4 multiplied by x minus 1. Paano po nangyari yun? Ang factors ng negative 4 ay 4 times 1. But since ito ay negative, alam natin na yung isa ay positive at isa ay negative. At para makuha yun, kailangan ang sum na itong factors na to ay equal sa ating middle term. Positive 4 minus 1 is positive 3, kaya ito ang factors ng ating numerator. Over 2 times x plus 5 multiplied by x plus 1. At dahil wala namang common factors between numerator and denominator, ito na yung ating final answer. The quantity of x plus 4 multiplied by the quantity of x minus 1 over 2 times the quantity of x plus 5 multiplied by the quantity of x plus 1. Hindi magiging madali ang lahat kung hindi mo susubukan. Kaya, kung nakaabot ka sa puntong ito, alam ko na masasagutan mo ang aking mga activity. Sige nga, tingnan natin kung kaya mo masagutan.